In this video, I want to talk about autocorrect. We have several types: autocorrect, autocomplete, autoformat, etc. For instance, if you remember, I told you if you put some characters such as star and press spacebar, automatically going to bullet. And we have an icon here with thunder sign. If you highlight it, it is written autocorrect options. You see, we could undo that, stop, or control it. Autocorrect help us in many cases. For instance, if you type hello, note that because it is beginning of the sentence, if I press space, automatically will capitalize. And as you see, it is autocorrect icon again appeared. Also, if you type something wrong, in some cases, like instead of typing D, type DEH and space, automatically will fixed. Also, we have couple of other types. For instance, I open parentheses, C, there it is, you see? Or other symbols like colon and close parentheses. And even more, like several dashes and press enter or return key, automatically create a horizontal line. They all are autocorrect, and we have of course autoformat, autocomplete. Also, it is far than this, and for now I don't want to go so deep inside of that. Just as introduction, you could go File, Options, and on proofing, in the autocorrect options, we have the autocorrect options button. You could click on that, or after making something autocorrect like this, you could click on the icon and click on Control Autoformat Options, or as I mentioned before, you could use, of course, Microsoft Search. Also, you could type on Microsoft Search autocorrect, open the spelling and proofing, and open the button, doesn't matter. We have several tabs on this dialog box. First, it is autocorrect, couple of options which are self-explanatory, like show autocorrect options buttons. As you saw before, after making something autocorrect, it will be appeared. Correct to initial capital, like this, it will fix it. Capitalize first letter of the sentences, capitalize first letter of the table cells, capitalize name of day, which I will mention later on, and correct accidentally if your caps lock is on. But here we have a list of replacing. As I mentioned, if I type something like that, open parentheses, C and close it, it will replace with this. Also, it is for euro sign, registered, trademark, or some other icons. You see, they all listed here. You could replace them with updating, you could delete it, or you could make your own version. For instance, I want to type every time DA, replace with dated. I could add, OK and OK. So anytime if I press DA, spacebar or return key, it will automatically replace with dated. You see, and here autocorrect options coming. And note that for regular letters, it's not working beginning of the sentence. If I press DA and the space, because the priority was capitalized, the first letter didn't apply. But after that, it will work, DA space. So keep in mind, let me go to autocorrect options again. And they are self-explanatory here also. Just to mention something like double capitalized here, let's say the, and if I press spacebar, automatically will fixed. Let me go to autocorrect options dialog box. We have also exceptions. For instance, here it is don't capitalize after dots for letters. They are not static. They have a long list here for many times. initial caps like IDs. Don't do that. Don't autocorrect because it has to be something like that. Of course, you could add your own by typing something like that. And other corrections which there are not here, but you could add also your own. In the replace text as you type, you could totally disable it and won't work anymore, like copyright, registered mark or so. And note that about replacing with formatted text and plain text I will talk later on. In the math correct also we have some replacement. It is almost same as a autocorrect result, but for mathematics. For instance, you want to type alpha instead of inserting icon, you could use \alpha. Let's try it. \, and alpha. Press space and there it is. If you want to revert the autocorrect, you could click on the autocorrect control, undo change, or let me remove it. You could simply use backspace to remove. I made it. If I press backspace once, it will remove or undo the autocorrect. Let me go there. Autocorrect. In the math, we have the correct rules outside of math region, which it is here. I will talk about that later too. We have auto format as you type. Replace as you type. For instance, straight codes for beginning and fraction. Let me enable bold and italic. Internet and network path hyperlink for the ordinals and for hyphens. Let me show these. If I add double quotation, you see, it's automatically making for beginning and end. But if I disable that, autocorrect and disable it, now it will make a regular one. Let me remove that. And for other sections, I will enable bold. Let's try them. Fraction, bold, and hyperlink for now. Okay. Bold, star, some text, and star. You see, it's getting bold. If I press backspace, it will remove it. Also underline, text underline. It is getting italic. And for fractions, let's say 3/4. Okay. Or 1/4. All right. And for hyperlink also. If I type any URL address or email address, let's say datic.studio@gmail.com space or return key, and there it is. And note that sometimes your hyperlinks might be not showing with underline blue clickable. If you don't see something like this, go to File, Options, and go to Advanced section. Scroll down a bit in the Show Document Content. Make sure Show Field Codes instead of their values is not enabled. If I enable that, you won't see the hyperlink, just showing you the tags instead of the hyperlink code. So in this case, I will revert it back, Options, Advanced, and go to the Show Contents, disable Show Field Codes instead of their values, and OK. And finally, in this section, Auto Format, we have ordinals and hyphens. Ordinals is something like that. I type first, space, you see, automatically making superscript. Second, third, etc. And for the hyphens, double dash, if I type it in space, as you see, because I was the beginning of the paragraph, it started as the bullet. But if you're in the middle of text, the M, now it will make automatically the long hyphen. Note that it has to be between your letters. It's not gonna work alone, okay? and it's working after the text. So note that they won't work alone unless start typing. Here is not going to work, but if I type nor ~mol space, you see, now start making long hyphen. Or here the double space is still not going to work unless start typing more letters. To make hyphen, it's kind of broken words, especially when you're reaching the end of the line, using hyphen to break it and continue on the beginning of the next line. I will continue in the next video about autocorrect and formats.